Now again it's time for maths lecture. So let's begin. Now today we are going to do exercise 3.2. In our previous lecture we are done with exercise 3.1, which was based on subtraction using number line. In very starting we had learned subtraction by counting backward. Very firstly we had learned subtraction by backward counting. Then we did subtraction using number line. Then today we are going to subtract numbers by column method. Today we are going to learn subtraction by column method. How does column method look like? In column method, if 2-digit number is there, then we write 2 places. If 3-digit number will be there, then we will write 3 places. Simple. Then we will write ones below ones, tens below tens, minu and also, and subtrahend 2. Then we will subtract ones from ones, and then we'll move towards the next column, which is tens column. Then we'll subtract tens from tens. Then if third digit is also there, then we'll subtract hundreds from hundreds. So in every operation, whether it is addition or subtraction, we always start from the rightmost. This is your right, this is your right. So we always start from the rightmost position. So our rightmost position here is 1. So we will always start operations with ones place. So first of all we will subtract ones from ones, then we will subtract tens from tens. So let us take an example. 79 minus 44. Now this is ones column, this is tens column. We will deal first ones column, then later we will deal with tens column. We are dealing column wise, so that is why we are calling it column method. Okay, first of all we will deal with ones column, then with tens column, and then with the hundreds if hundreds column is also there. So we are dealing column wise, so that is why we are calling it column method. Okay, now let's see how to do it. Ones minus ones. We'll subtract ones from ones, and we remember the smaller number is always subtracted from the bigger number. We remove or we take away smaller number from the bigger number. We remove smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, so 9 is the bigger number and 4 is the smaller number. 9 is the bigger number and 4 is the smaller number. So we will remove 4 from 9. We always remove smaller number from the bigger number. So 9, first of all the number 9 is there. So our very first step is drawing of this number sticks. So 9 is there. So we will draw 9 sticks. Let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. See, 9 was there, so we had drawn 9 sticks. Now minus 4. First of all we'll check whether it is plus or minus sign, because we had done addition also by column method. So we'll check for the sign. Yes, minus is there. So minus means taking away. So we will take away these number of sticks from the bigger number. We will take away the smaller number of sticks from the bigger number, since minus sign is there. Okay, so minus 4. Minus 4 means we have to take away 4 sticks. So let's take away 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Minus 4 was there, so we had cancelled 4 sticks. Okay, minus 4 was there, so we had cancelled 4 sticks. Now let's count the remaining sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sticks are left, so we will write the number 5. This is our answer for ones column. Now we are done with ones column. Now we are going to deal with tens column. 7 minus 4. So first of all 7 is there, so we will draw 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 4. Minus 4 is there, so we will remove 4 or we will cancel out 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the next step is counting the remaining sticks. So let us count 1, 2 and 3. 3 sticks, so we will write the number 3. So 79 minus 44 is equals to 35. This was the example how to do. This was not your exercise question. Now we will do exercise, okay? So this was the example for your understanding. No need to note it down in copy. This was just an example only, okay? Now all of you open your book and copies. Now we had learned how to solve. Now we will solve and copy, okay? So your question number 1. All of you, first of all, write heading exercise 3.2. Head 3.2. Now question number 1. Question number 1 is subtract the following numbers. So we will write question first. Subtract the following numbers. Write down the question with me. Subtract the following numbers. Now I hope you are also done with writing the question. So, part A. Part A is 96 minus 54. So first of all we will write tens and ones. This is the very first step of each and every question based on mathematical operations. So firstly we will write ones and tens, okay? So we had written ones and tens. Now we will write the numbers. 96 minus 54. 96 minus 54. Ones below ones and tens below tens. We remember, after writing the places we will write ones below ones and tens below tens, okay? So now how to do it? We will subtract ones from ones. We will subtract now bigger number from the smaller number, and please use ruler or scale as I am doing by running hand, but you have to make all the lines using scale, okay? Make this table with the help of scale. Again I am reminding you, make this table with the help of scale, okay? Now 6 minus 4. So we will draw 6 sticks first. Minus 4. Minus 4, it means we will cancel out 1, 2, 3 and 4 sticks. Now we will count the remaining sticks. So let us count 1, 2. 2 sticks are left. So we will write number 2 below ones. We were dealing with ones. We subtracted a smaller number from the bigger number of ones. So we will write answer below ones. Now it's turn for tens column. So let's do it. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is there. So first of all we will draw 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Minus 5 is there. Minus 5. So we will cancel 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next step is counting of remaining sticks. How many sticks are left? Initially we were having 9 sticks. Then 5 sticks has taken away from us. So we cancel those 5 sticks. Now we will count the remaining sticks. Okay. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks are left. So we will write the number 4. Okay. So let's write number 4. So 96 minus 54 is equals to 42. So our difference is 42. Now the drawing of a stick is our rough work. As you know, the drawing of a stick is our rough work. So will not show it in fair work. Now part B. Part B. Again we will write places first. Again we will write places first. So let's write tens and ones. Let's write tens and ones. I hope you are also done writing tens and ones. 85 minus 31. 85 minus 31. So we'll write 85 minus 31. Okay. If this is your box copy, so you will write tens and ones in different boxes. You will write tens below tens, ones below ones, and you will put this minus sign in different box. Once again I am reminding you, this minus sign should be in different box. Okay. Now make table with the help of scale. Now 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. Minus 1 is there. See? Minus 1 is there. So remember subtraction fact or subtraction property. Whenever 1 is subtracted from the 1, whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, the result is previous number or the difference is previous number. So what is the previous number of 5? 4. What is the previous number of 5? 4. So we will write the number 4. We will write the number 4. Okay. Now 8 minus 3. So we will draw 8 sticks first. Let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 3. Minus 3 is there. So we will cancel out 3 sticks. Let's cancel 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll count the remaining sticks. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sticks are there. So we will write the number 5. Okay. So 85 minus 31 is equals to 54. Our result or the difference is 54. Now note it down properly. Or you can use PDFs which I am providing you for the making notes. So if you are not able to make notes with the lecture properly, you can use that PDF also. Okay. So moving towards the next. If you will write in the lecture with me, then you will only concentrate in writing part only. If you will write with me during the lecture, I must say you will 90% of the time you will concentrating on writing part only and you will not pay attention whatever I am explaining. So from my point of view, you can write later, you can write after the lecture. First of all, you should watch lecture with full concentration. Then when you will watch lecture with full concentration, your all the concept will be clear. Then you can write or you can make notes with the help of the PDFs which I am sharing in the group after every lecture. Okay, so choice is yours. Now the part C. Part C is 76 minus 44. 76 minus 44. So again, writing of tens and ones is compulsory. First of all, we will write both the places. Then we will write tens below tens and ones below ones. So we are done with writing 76 and 44. Now what we will do? We will subtract ones from ones. So 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. So let's draw 6 sticks first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 4. Minus 4 is there. So we will cancel out 4 sticks. Let's cancel 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will count the remaining sticks. Okay, we'll count the remaining stick. Let's count 1 and 2. 2 sticks are left, so we will write the number 2. Now 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is there. So first of all, we will draw 7 sticks in rough work. We'll draw sticks in our rough work. Okay. Minus 4. Minus 4 is there. So we'll cancel 4 sticks. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we had cancelled 4 sticks. Now we'll count the remaining sticks. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sticks are left. So we will write the number 3. So 76 minus 44 is equals to 32. Our difference or our answer is 32. Okay. Now moving towards the next part, which is part D. And the writing of the sticks is our rough work. Now, part D. First of all, again we will write both the places. In every operation, we will always start from the ones. You know, I know you all are not knowing. We will always start from the rightmost place. Now, how you will get which is the rightmost place? So for that, you have to write places first. Okay. If places were written over there, you can identify right or left. Now, 46 minus 32. 46 minus 30. Again, make table with ruler or scale. Do not make it by running hand. Okay. Now, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. So, first of all, we will draw 6 sticks. Now, minus 2. Minus 2 is there. Minus 2. So, we will cancel 2 sticks. So, let us cancel 1 and 2. Now, we had cancelled 2 sticks. Now, we will count the remaining sticks. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks are left. So, we will write the number 4. Now, 4 minus 3. Now, tens column, 4 minus 3. So, first of all, we will draw 4 sticks. Minus 3 is there. So, we will cancel out 1, 2 and 3 sticks. Now, we will count the remaining sticks. 1 stick left. So, we will write the number 1. Okay. So, 46 minus 32 is equal to 14. Our result or difference is 1, 4, 14. 1 tenth and 4 ones. Okay. Now, moving towards next question. Part E. 63 minus 41. 63 minus 41. See, writing of places is mandatory and writing of places is important. So, write tens and ones both the places. Then write both the numbers 63, 41. Ones below ones and tens below tens. Now, first of all, we will deal with ones column. Okay. So, 3 minus 1. Whenever we will see 1, we will apply our subtraction property. Whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, the result or the difference is previous number. So, what is the previous number of 3? What is previous number of 3? Very good. 2 is the previous number of 3. So, we will write number 2. Okay. Now, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. So, first of all, we will draw 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 4. Minus 4 is there. So, we will cancel out 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, we will count the remaining sticks. 1 and 2. 2 sticks are left. So, we will write the number 2. So, our difference or the answer is 22. 63 minus 41 is equals to 22. Now moving towards next part, that is part F. Part F, again we will write tens and ones. Now we are done with writing places. Now we will write minuend and subtrahend. Okay, so minuend is 71. So we will write tens below tens and ones below ones. We will write tens below tens and ones below ones. Minus 11. Minus 11. Okay, so now again we will subtract ones from ones and tens from tens. So 1 minus 1. Remember the subtraction property. Whenever number is subtracted from itself, the result is 0. Whenever the same number is subtracted from itself, the result is 0. So here 1 is subtracted from 1 itself. If you have one pencil and you have given it to your friend, then how many pencil you have? You don't have any pencil now. No pencil. No pencil means 0. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So we will write the number 0 here. Okay. Now 7 minus 1. Again subtraction property. See why we are learning the subtraction properties or fact. If we will learn subtraction properties, then we can do it without drawing sticks. See now if I don't remember the subtraction property, then first of all I have to draw the 7 sticks, then I have to cancel 1 stick, then I will count the remaining sticks. So if I learn properties, then I can do it without drawing sticks. Here also we did without drawing sticks. So here also we can do, but only if we remember properties. Okay. So 7 minus 1. Whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, the result is previous number. Whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, the result is previous number. So what is the previous number of 7? What is the previous number of 7? Yes, the previous number of 7 is 6. So we will write number 6. Now 71 minus 11 is equals to 60. 71 minus 11 is equals to 60. Okay. Now moving towards next question. Sorry, it was part F. Now moving towards the next part, that is part G. Again the very first step is writing tens and ones. The very first step is of writing places, that is tens and ones. So first of all we will write tens and ones. And all of you make table by running hand. Do not make it by make table by the use of scale. Do not make it by running hand. Okay, as I am making now. 26 minus 14. 26 minus 14. So first of all we will write 10, 26, tens below tens and ones below ones. Now minus 40. So we will write again tens below tens and ones below ones. Now we will subtract ones from ones. Now we will subtract ones from ones. So 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. So first of all we will draw 6 sticks. So let us draw 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4 is there, so we will cancel out 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next step is counting of remaining sticks. So we will count the remaining sticks 1 and 2. 2 sticks are left. So we will write the number 2. Okay. So let us write number 2. Now we are done with ones. Now we are going to deal with tens column. Here 2 minus 1 is there. 2 minus 1. So again subtraction property, whenever 1 is subtracted from any number, the result or the difference is previous number. Okay. So what is the previous number of 2? What is the previous number of 2? Very good. 1 is the previous number of 2. So we will write number 1. Okay. We will write number 1. So 26 minus 14 is equals to 12. 26 minus 14 is equal to 12. So our result or our difference is 12. Now again, drawing of a stick is our rougher, so we will not show it in fair work. Okay. Now moving towards the next part. That is the last part of the same question. Part H, it is the last part of question number 1. So again, first of all, we will write places. 2-digit number is there, so we will write 2 places, tens and ones or ones and tens. Okay. Now we'll write minuend and subtrahend. We'll write tens below tens and ones below ones. So 59 minus 33. 59 minus 33. Okay. So once again, make table by using scale. Okay. Do not make it by running hand. Now 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. First of all, we will see the number, then we will check for the sign, then we will see another number. 9 is there, then this sign is of minus, so we will do subtract or we will take away or we will cancel these sticks. Then this smaller number. Okay, so let us draw 9 sticks first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Minus 3. Minus 3 is there, so we will cancel out 3 sticks. Let's cancel 1, 2 and 3. Now we will count the remaining sticks. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we will write the number 6. 6 sticks, so we will write the number 6. See, one more thing, observe one more thing. We are noting this by cancel the stick. Okay, this is our sticks, and if we want to cancel the stick, we are cancelling like this. And if we want to count the stick, we are counting like this. Why we are doing this with the sticks? So that we can avoid the mistake. If I left a stick here, so I can identify it is not cancelled or not counted, then I can identify that here is the mistake. So that is why we are cancelling and counting. We had made a sign. If we are this is how we will cancel the sticks and this is how we will count the stick. Okay. Now moving towards tens. 5 minus 3. So first of all, we will draw 5 sticks. Minus 3 is there. Minus 3 is there. Okay. So we will cancel out 3 sticks. So let us cancel 1, 2 and 3. Now we had cancelled 3 sticks. So let's count the remaining one. 1 and 2. 2 sticks are remaining. 2 sticks are left. So we will write the number 2. So 59 minus 33 is equals to 26. So our difference or our answer is 26. Okay. So this is how we can do 2-digit subtraction. This is how we can do 2-digit subtraction. Now I hope you all are how to do it. Now we have done question number 1 of exercise 3.2. We have done all the parts of question number 1, exercise 3.2. Now I hope you all are getting how to do subtraction. We had learned 3 methods till the date. Okay. First one is subtraction by counting backward. Then the second one was subtraction on number line, and you all made project on that also. You all are sending me videos, that is appreciable, but so many students are still left, so I am waiting for you all. If you had not sent video till now, please make the video and send it. Okay. So there are 3 methods, that is counting backward. First one is counting backward, subtraction by counting backward. Second is subtraction on number line, and the third one which we were learning today is subtraction using column method. Okay. So I hope you are all understood now. So we'll meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. Bye bye.